Hello guys, welcome back to Buffalo Trip. Today we are going to make another movie review of Balakrishna. Nandamuri Balakrishna made a new movie with a Boyapati Sinu. Coming to this movie, Boyapati Sinu and Balakrishna previously made two movies, like jointly made two movies. They are going coming with the Akanda with same combo. Like before going topic, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video. Coming to a topic, after Balakrishna and Boyapati combination, we have a legend and Simha. Two movies are blockbuster with this hero. Previously, Balakrishna was struggling with a few failures, and as well as him, like Boyapati scene also, he didn't have a good hit. After 2 years, they are coming back with a this high expectation movie Akanda. Once we just watch a trailer. Let's before I'm going to, after watching this trailer, I will give some info. I am going to reveal few information with this. Akanda is upcoming Telugu movie. Is action drama. Always Boyapati likes action. He with the ultimate, and when you watch this trailer, Balakrishna look high and ultimate. He looks different from previous two movies. He looks completely different, like his character wise he looks so much different from previous legend and Balakrishna Simha. Now it got down with that. This movie was written and directed by the Boyapati Sinu, and this movie going to produced by Miyala Ravindra Reddy under the banner of Dwarka Creation. This movie, like a Nandamuri Balakrishna played a hero character, and Pragya Jaiswal played as a heroine, and Srikanth is played by a one more important character. For this movie, like S.S. Taman composed the music for this movie. Like now we'll just go and watch the trailer once. Okay.
కారు చూపే నంది ముందు రంగు మార్చిన పంది కారు కూతలకు వస్తే కపాలం పగిలిపోతే
He was in this trailer. There are few highlights, like when introduced few Balakrishna always in the name of his he always tell powerful dialogues with his movies, like when he come to when he enters you like Kapalam Pagilipudira, like few dialogues allow this when Balakrishna make any movies make ultimate. Previously we have two movies like Balakrishna and Boyapati combination, but they both may already those two movies are always with high-end action entertainer. Like if you watch anything, will feel emotion by watching their movies. I hope this movie will be a big hit for both Balakrishna as well as Boyapati Sinu. Like in this movie, like a trailer, when watch he comes, he used to wear some jewelry, big jewelries and bangles to his hand, and carry like a Rudraksha holding in his hand. After that, we comes is just he used to show this in characterization wise. He has a white beard along with like he used to carry Trishul, and like he is with the enemies with this weapon, like in the entire room with a lights and backside there are few audios, like a few characters on this scene. First time Balakrishna wore a tattoos on his body, like it's like each arm solar as Om and circle, and in this like there is a eye shaped tattoo. First time he comes with a different weapon, and Boyapati has different weapon which look like a Trishul with a two more pins on this Trishul. like he used to kill action scenes. Like I love Balakrishna for his powerful dialogue than previous movie. I hope he will give more powerful than previous movie. When he hits any card, when he hits the person, he used to fly and hit the bells on this trailer. He used to walk like a lion, he used to roar like a lion in this trailer. And the background music is so good, like it's like a impacting high, it's like impacting like a missile, like a reactor dialogues. I hope this will be the biggest blockbuster of the Balkrishna. This will break the records, I hope. Make sure this is the complete review and reaction video for this like a Balkrishna Akhanda movie. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more interesting update, stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and like this and share it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep following me for more interesting. Thank you.